Hi guys, welcome to Perseverance Software Training Institute. I'm Sai. Alright, so in this video we'll see now, so from the knowledge we acquired from the previous video in the playlist, right? So we understood now what is bare metal and what is virtual machine, which we run with the help of hypervisors, and what is containers, what are containers, right? So now, so what is Docker? So Docker is a platform to basically create containers. So what is Docker is? Docker is a software platform that allows you to build, test, and deploy applications quickly using containers. All right, fine. Let's see. You already know what is a container. See, container is lightweighted. So before that, let's see the image. So if you see, you have OS. Whether you are on a bare metal server or a virtual machine, you will be having OS, right? So on top of OS, you can install your containerization platform. So we have Docker as a technology for that, or Rocket as a technology, but Docker is the one which is used heavily, all right, in the market because of its advanced features and simplicity and easy to maintain, everything as such, right? All right, so now we have OS, on top of which we install Docker, and these are containers. So this is container 1, 2, container 3, container 4. So we are running 4 different required applications on a single Docker platform. I can run many number of containers on a single server because, right, let me tell you, because as we discussed earlier, containers are very lightweighted. They are standalone, they are executable software package. So containers will not have anything other than the software you need, meaning it includes the code, the runtime, libraries, and system tools. I can simply tell it includes your application, meaning code. So in simple, your application and its dependencies, we call dependencies, in the sense like application needs something to run, so we need electricity to run a conditioner, right? So like that, app needs maybe dependency 1, dependency 2, so and so. So like these dependencies are needed definitely to run an app. So container is nothing but it is an environment where your application will run only with only your required dependencies encapsulated within it. There will be nothing else in the container. All right. So this makes your container very lightweighted. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you. So thanks for the session in your time.